Good morning, sweet morning, cool morning. Okay, now do action with me. Tap your hands, tap your hands, tap your hands, tap, tap, tap. Tap your cheeks, tap your cheeks, tap your cheeks, tap, tap, tap. Tap your head, tap your head, tap your head, tap, tap, tap. Tap your eyes, tap your eyes, tap your eyes, tap, tap, tap. Tap your ears, tap your ears, tap your ears, tap, tap, tap. Tap your hands, tap your hands, tap your hands, tap, tap, tap. Tap your hands, tap your hands, tap your hands, tap, tap, tap. Okay, now look at the board. Look here, children. Today we will learn cursive small alphabet. You will speak with me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for telephone, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. We enjoy? Okay, once again we will speak loudly and faster than me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for quill, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for telephone, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Now all of you look here. I will show you how to write cursive A. All of you look carefully. Start from here. Go up and back and down and again up and down. Okay. This is cursive small a. A for apple, A for alligator, A for eggs, A for ant. Okay, now I will show you again and look at here. All of you start with this blue line and go to again up blue line and back and down and up and down. I will write here again. Up, down, up, down. I will write here again. Up, down, up, down. Okay, this is cursive A. A for apple, A for alligator, A for eggs, A for ant. Now I will show you how to write cursive B. Look here. This is, I will write B. Start from here. Go up, turn, down, up and turn. This is cursive small b. What is this? This is cursive small b. B for bat, B for ball, B for balloon, B for butterfly. Okay, I will show you again. You will start from blue line, go up to the red line and turn and straight line down and again up and turn. I will show you again. Cross line, go to the red line and turn straight line down, up and turn. Here again, cross line, straight line, up and turn. Okay? Now again, B for bat, B for ball, B for balloon, B for butterfly. Now you know how to write cursive A and B. Look here, this is our English book. All of you open page number 2. This is page number 2. We will write date here. You will write today's date, whatever your mother told. Okay, all of you write date first here, then start writing. Look here, this is cursive A and this is cursive B. First we will trace it. Okay, we will trace on this dotted line. Cursive A, cursive A, cursive A. Now look here, this is a plain box. Now we will start from blue line. Put your pencil point here and start from here and go up, turn, down and round. Look how it is look. It is look nice? Okay, fine. All of you write like this. Start from here, blue line, up, turn, round. Start from here, up, down, turn and down. Now we will complete this full line. We will write cursive A here in a full line. Okay, now last, write in a good and neat handwriting. All of you write in a good handwriting. We complete this line. Okay, now we will go to cursive B. Look here, this is cursive B. First we will trace it. Start from here, we will write on the dotted line, down, up and round. Cross line, turn, down, up and round. Cross line, turn, round, turn. Okay. Now we will write in this plain box. We will start from blue line and go to the red line. All of you write with me. Start here, up, turn, down, turn and round. Again we will write cursive B. Start from here, go up, turn, straight line, up and turn. It is very easy. Okay. Again. Up, turn, straight line, turn and round. Now you know how to write cursive B. Okay. All of you write with me. Turn. Write in a good handwriting. Slowly, slowly write in a good handwriting. Now we complete this line also. Okay, today we will complete cursive A and B. Now we will write on a next page. Look here. It is page number 3 and we will write cursive A and B here also. First we will write date. Whatever date is today your mother told, that you will write the date here. Okay, in this box. Now we will write cursive A and cursive B. First we will trace. Start tracing. Now you know how to write A. Little bit fast and clean work we will do. Start from here, up, round and A. Again here, up, down, and A. We will complete this line also for our practice. A for apple. A for ant. Complete this line all of you. Okay, now we will go on B, cursive B. First we will trace B. Up, down, up and turn. First we will trace on a dotted line for good handwriting. Now we will write in plain box. Now you know how to write B. Start from here, go to red line, turn, down, up and round. Nice, all of you write down in a good handwriting. Up, down, turn and round. Now we will complete this line also in a good handwriting. Done. Now B for ball, B for balloon. Complete this line. I hope you understand how to write cursive A and B. Now you do practice at home with your parents. Bye bye all of you. Enjoy your day.